Put cabbage leaves onto your chest and legs before sleeping if you experience frequent headaches. To be honest with you, I really think that sometimes the weirdest methods can give you the best results. Agree, from honey wraps to onion socks, there are many different time-tested weird remedies that can help you treat and prevent many different health problems and improve your health, in general. One of these weird ingredients are the cabbage leaves. Did you know that cabbage leaves have the same properties as magnets? They will help you pull out all the diseases and ailments from our bodies. Cabbage is a super healthy vegetable which is used as a great ingredient for making different types of meals and salads. Yes, and many experts around the world say that you can use cabbage leaves to treat the following health problems. 1. Wound healing. Yes, you can use the super healthy vegetable to speed up the healing process. The experts say that vegetables like cabbage and broccoli contain methionine, which is an essential amino acid required for growth and tissue repair. In fact, if you apply a piece of lightly blanched cabbage over your wounds, fight infection and inflammation and reduces healing time. You should also know that methionine will help you prevent T-enol and copper poisoning, treats liver disorders as well as helps cure depression, alcoholism, allergies, asthma, schizophrenia, and Parkinson's disease. This means that you should definitely try this simple but effective trick. 2. Headaches relief. You can also use cabbage to get rid of headaches, instantly. First, you should know that the super healthy vegetable is loaded with vitamin C and K, folate, potassium, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus and iron. These ingredients work together to prevent headaches caused by nutritional deficiency, particularly tension headaches. The methionine amino acid also promotes detoxification by binding to heavy metals like lead and mercury and helping the body expel them. This in turn improves overall body function and prevents toxin-related headaches. 3. Pain-free breastfeeding. Many experts around the world say that the super healthy vegetable will help you decrease engorgement and promote milk flow. How to use it? It's very simple. You just have to crush green cabbage leaves with a rolling pin to help them mold onto your breast. And make sure you leave it on your breast for 20 minutes twice a day and follow up with a feeding or pumping session. Note: you should also know that you can use cabbage after a feeding and leave them on until they wilt. The experts highly recommend that new mothers should use chilled cabbage leaves straight from the fridge to relieve breast tenderness, or slightly blanched leaves on their abdomen to ease postpartum and menstrual pain. 4. Heal thyroid imbalance. Many people think that consuming cruciferous vegetables may interfere with proper hormone function, but many different traditional medicine practitioners around the world claim that wrapping cabbage leaves over your thyroid gland overnight can help balance thyroid hormones and neutralize thyroid disrupting hormones to restore proper balance. 5. Reduce swelling. You should also know that you can use cabbage leaves to reduce swelling and alleviate the pain from sore and inflamed joints. Cabbage and other cruciferous vegetables contain glucosinolate, an anti-inflammatory and cancer-fighting compound. How to use it? It's very simple. You just have to cut out the stipane that runs through each leaf to help it mold onto your skin. Then you should put the leaves on a cutting board lined with plastic wrap. After that, you should put the paper towel under and over the leaves and pound with a meat cleaver to activate the vegetable's active compounds. Now you need to remove the leaves from the paper towel and place directly on your sore joint using plastic wrap to keep it in place. Note: you should be very careful, and if you're experiencing severe pain, place a cold pack over the leaves and secure it into place using a cloth bandage or towel. You can also use this simple trick as well. Use cabbage to reduce swelling caused by edema. Here's what you need to do. First, you should simply clean and dry the leaves, refrigerate until cool, and place on your swollen limb to draw out excess fluid. Leave them until they become wet, then repeat with fresh leaves until your symptoms subside. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family.